Today, we are going to how to repot cactus. This is very simple to follow. First, when to start repotting a cactus. A good guideline is to repot your cactus every 2 to 3 years to ensure it has enough room to grow. One clear sign that your cactus requires repotting is if you notice roots protruding from the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. Another indicator is if the cactus appears too large for its current container, with little space between the plant and the pot's edges. For this example, I use my old 6-in pot. Remove the cactus by gently loosen the cactus from its pot. You might need to tap the sides or run a knife around the edges to loosen the soil. Inspect the roots. Remove any dead or damaged roots. If there is any new cactus growing from pups like this, you can remove and grow them later. Fill the bottom of the pot with small rocks and follow by cactus mix. Add slow-release fertilizer on top of the cactus mix. Make a new hole by hand and place the cactus into it, making sure it's centered, and you may need to wiggle the pot to settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Dressing the top pot with akadama soil or rock, and gently water the cactus after repotting. After repotting, place the cactus in a bright, indirect sunlight location. Be patient. It might take a few weeks for your cactus to recover from repotting. We wish you would enjoy watching our content. Please subscribe to our channel if you love our content. See you later. Bye-bye.